Yeah, we got some decent snow finally. But yeah, I gotta go in there. Yeah, we gotta put some more wood on here, man. Prune some grapevines. Gotta get this baby cranking here a little bit. Get some tea going here. My kit. Fork is kind of sharp, but yeah, man, it's my little kit. Still got everything in here, man. But yeah, I want to get this pan out. Got some rashers here. They're all frozen. I don't know what's gonna happen. See what happens. I'm gonna plate out. Yeah. For now. It's one of my little bags right here. But yeah, man. It'll be fine. I'm gonna get the lantern going. I may take it off of here, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna get this going a little better. You know, the stove here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Could take that off and cook directly on the fire if I want, but I don't know if I want to do that. Throw some grapevines in there. I pruned the grapevines, so kick it up a little bit. But yeah, get something going here, and be nice. Yeah, let's get this bad boy going. Yep. But yeah, what I'm going to do here, experimenting with this little tripod, because I got this hike to go to, and I'm not taking all kinds of stuff. Some rashers. So I'll get back to you, man. Just gonna put these on here. I'm supposed to thaw them out and spread them out, but I didn't. But we'll make do. So my tea water's going. Here. See. No, needs more. Get this going. I'm gonna crank this up. I may take this platform. Well, it's pretty warm, but I'll take this off. Just right in there, and place this down there. This is my little man knife. Got my Robust over there too. Mora Robust. I'm gonna light the lantern. Nice Robust here. Little trick, you know, little things the women put in their hair. I'll leave it in there. Just hook it on there. Hook it on there. Put it over. That's it. You could actually use these as little mini prussiks on your line too. they work. But it's a Mora Classic, and I did put a 90-degree spine on there, so it does work with a ferro rod. I like it, and I made some coloration in there too. So, but yeah, so close up like that. Good to go, man. Mora Classic, a little bigger than the Robust Pro that's out now. It's a little bit longer, and I like it. At first I wasn't sure about it, but I do like it. But I could stick a little ferro rod in here too. Got from an old tire in here too if I want. It's cool. But we'll get back to you. Light this lantern. Not lighting too good. Let me try something else. I got something over here. Keep a little tin of fat wood in here, man. Let's get that going. I have matches there. I have a lighter, but I'll light my lantern. Door's partially open. Got some nice snow finally out there. A little bit of fat wood, a little better. Nice. Let's get in there. There we go. Okay, so it's lit up there nice now. Take a while to get going. It's my Dietz number 8. But door's partially open. We got snow coming down. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Yeah, we're going there. You can see the snow coming down there. Nice, man. Nice. Sitting there. Snow's coming down. Cooking. Fire's going good now. Yeah. There she goes. Let's see what we can do here. Throw some more wood in there. There we go. Good. Good, man. Yeah. I'll leave this out. Tea be getting hot here. Did I plan this? Yes and no. Let's see here. Yeah, cooking a little bit. Not enough yet. It might take a while, so I'll get back to you on this beautiful day. But I wanted to come out here when it's snowing. We didn't get much snow this year, but it's the end of March. March never lets us down, so we'll be okay. Making things, getting ready for my old style camp out, which is nice. Put some serving on the line, make bags, different things. But I'll get back to you. It's just got a ways to go here, man. And it was all frozen, which is crazy. It's just my little pan. But she's starting to crank right now, so. But we're doing fine, man. And I'll get back to you. It's hot. Pretty hot. Right now. Sorry. Son of a... Lovely. Is this low T? Yeah. Very low T. Birds. That's good. Very good. Excellent. Snow coming down out there pretty good. sturdy son of a gun there. Oh yeah, we'll take care of that. Where'd that go? Little predicament. Let the tools take care of that. Squirrel clickers in my other bag. Pretty darn good, man. Cool. Got some willow branches out there I can use, but I'll toast it up a little with this. Tastes pretty good. Smoke them up a little bit. Nice. Cool. I'll see how they taste. Pretty good, man. Not bad. I think these are Donnelly's Rashers, but I'm not sure. But they're from this country, but yeah, Irish English style. Pretty darn good. When the Eskimo, they're arrived. Pray for all sick people out there.